What up, guys? This is Nesio bringing you guys another vlog. This is gonna be like a 1 minute and 30 seconds, maybe, or longer, because I really don't know what to talk about. Look at that. It's goofy. I don't know if you guys can see it. No, I don't think so. Well, I'm putting my phone like in the laying down angle. I don't know. Hold up. So here. Oh, there's so many people. Too much people here. No, that was an ugly ass face. I'm gonna cut this shit out. Just kidding. I can't. Alright. In this hallway, there's usually nobody. Hopefully there's no one here. No pumps. Hopefully there's no one here. Well, I'm sorry for not uploading. Hope like this. Oh, too close. Hope like this the angle is better. How I used to do it up like that, it would look weird as hell. So hopefully this is better. Oh look, a cat. Well, sorry for not uploading. Look at that cat. It's scary. Oh, I got a cat too. We just got one. This is my mom's present. I'm gonna go right here. Look at it. It's a scary ass cat. It's a weird scary ass cat. There's too many fucking walks here. Look at it, look at it. Well, this don't be pretty much it for today, guys. Sorry for not uploading. I'll try uploading maybe tomorrow or past tomorrow. Well, like, comment some ideas that you want me to do, and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Help a nigga out. Help a nigga out and subscribe. Deuces.